All right.
Right. We're going to have some fun.
I'm going to try.
Mr. Martin.
Yeah. 100 yards. Is it 100 yards or 100 metres we're doing?
I don't know. What do you reckon?
What did we do just a minute ago?
200 metres. That's
100
100
oh,
metres.
okay, 100 metres then. 100 metres. Let's try 100 metres.
You're 105 metres.
105. Let's go forward a bit then, shall we? That 5 metres make all the difference.
What are you doing, Pilbeam?
That's got the mouthful.
Are you spotting, are you?
I'm now spotting for Wayne. I'm 105 metres away from target.
Is Wayne though, or are you 105 metres from the target?
I'm actually 105, so Wayne's 104. Yeah?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
I've had my rangefinder out.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Oh. Oh.
Where was that?
To the right of the left disc. A foot to the right of the left disc. Elevation wasn't far out at all.
That's not bad.
Oh!
Was that it?
Can you just...
Did I hit it?
I thought I hit it.
That hit something.
Just, can you replay that? Looks like it hit... I sure hit it. I heard the noise, but I saw the sand move next to that right-hand clay.
I reckon I could have hit it.
It looks intact to me.
We definitely would have broken it with it.
Oh yeah, 100% will break it. Oh! Oh no, it hasn't. I thought that was it there.
No, so did I. You see the ball bearing there, you see them here.
Yeah,
It kind of it hit that round that area there, so.
bloody hell.
You know, we've got an open view towards that target. How much sort of movement are you seeing of the ball bearing?
You can see, as it's in flight, you can see it wavering side to side, so I'm guessing that's like a contribution of the spin on the ball with the wind hitting it. It's kind of wavering. At some points I've been sort of 4 foot to the right of the target and still landing it to the left. So the wind being up and down all over the place, it's making it hard work. It's not easy anyway, do you know what I mean? It's never going to be easy. There's always going to be an element of luck involved, but it's certainly making hard work of it.
But you are, I mean, consistently, you know, it's like there's been so many oohs and ahs. I mean, just the fact that you can repeat the shot.
We're consistently in that sort of metre square. But yeah, I mean, you're trying to hit something, what are they, 90 mil, a 90 mil disc at 100 metres, 104 metres. It's a big ask. There's going to be an element of luck involved. You know, we've got no optic sights, we've got nothing. We've literally just got a bit of feel and a bit of luck. I mean, I'm probably aiming, probably roughly the height of those trees. So whatever the height of those trees are, what would you say they are? 40 foot?
Yeah.
It's probably giving it 40 foot above. So at that point, you can't even see what you're aiming at, really. You know, you're sort of starting on the target and raising your arm above it and relying on feel.
Oh! Yeah. Hey! Bloody hell!
6 foot, 7 foot to the right. Drop the mic, walk away.
The cat. What can he do? Oh, Tim's in. Are you the new Norris McWhirter?
I am definitely, yes, I'm verifying this. Yeah. 113 yards, that's 102 metres, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
We need it. What is it in metres? Can you convert it to metres?
I could do, but I've got no idea on this one. So I've got 112 yards. So you're just over 100 metres then.
Is it just over 100 metres?
Yeah.
Ding
Well,
dong.
Ding dong. Thankfully,
Well done,
with
mate.
crosswind as well.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
About 7 foot up the right hand side. Managed to drop one into it. Yeah, I want to see.
Yeah, you got
I don't even know what I want to look at. It's just a broken plate. Do you know what I mean? I still want to look at it.
It's the old design, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
You've got a bit of weight to it, is that intentional? So
Yeah, well, what it made solid, so it's made from stainless steel, so you can't really damage them any sense. You can chuck it in your bag, chuck it in your pocket, run over it, do whatever you like with it. And also the weight of it takes out the recoil of the heavier bands, so it makes it a much steadier frame to shoot.
yeah.
Well, it's actually destroyed it quite well, hasn't it? Rather than just, I thought it was probably just going to break it into a few bits.
Look at all the steel around it.
Don't make a point of that, David. Third shot.
Bloody hell.
But it goes to show the grouping, doesn't it? You know?
Yeah.
Oh, look, you see, look at the target there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. See where it's hitting.
How did it make you feel? Please, we got it done. Please, we got it done. I thought, is this going to happen? Obviously, the wind, you can see the balls curving and dropping in. As I say, you need an element of luck, don't you? And
So from ballistics, you're shooting probably 30, say 40 foot in the air?
yeah, probably 30, 40
Say
foot.
40 foot in the air, and then how much to the right?
I would say, well, I was only above that box, so
Above that, so about 7 or 8 foot to the right.
I was only probably about here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's impressive. They go up like that and then it's got to come down.
Yeah.
And it's also coming down at that type of angle
Yeah,
as well,
I mean,
isn't
I
it?
guess, really, we probably should have angled them back a bit, shouldn't we?
Yeah, you could have done, yeah. Yeah. But yeah, they're coming down up from where I can spot on the binoculars at that angle, so more is nearly vertical.
Yeah.
And you were aiming for the left-hand side before people start talking.
Yes, we were aiming for the left-hand side.
Yeah, we were.
Well, originally the right-hand side was a marker until the wind picked up. So, you know, that was my marker to come down to the left, obviously in front of the gong. But then the wind picked up even more, ended up going more and more to the right, you know, using different markers to come down onto it.
That's the longest shot you've done.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I don't think I'll be attempting another one, not on a target that size anyway.